All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, and we have 3 minutes till market open. We have 2 minutes till market open. About a minute and a half till market open. So market open direction today is a buy. About a minute till market open. Fifteen seconds till market open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and market is open. And price is pushing up. There we go. Nice push, nice push. So the intraday market entry hit full TP. I'm sorry, intraday, I'm sorry, the market open scalp for the 1:3 hit full TP. So keep in mind, at 9:30, I entered trades on like 4 different accounts. The one we, of course, track heavily is this one for the 1:2 risk to reward, but I normally enter this one on my left hand as well. Now, that one is on the 15-second chart. So, of course, it happens pretty quickly. And yesterday's trade, we got stopped out and then price melted back down. So yesterday's trade, as much as we got stopped out, price faked out and then went back in the direction we were anticipating. So you can see here yesterday, we go to the market open, look at that. We got stopped out, and then price went back all the way to the direction, to the sell side direction as expected. So let's see what happens today. Getting some push back to the downside. Might end up getting stopped out on this one. Let's see. So I'm still in this one. It did get stopped out, so we'll just count it as that. I'm still in it because I think I got a better entry, but we'll see. If it comes back and takes me out, then it is what it is. But we'll record this as a loss for the day. Now we're gonna get a doji candle here, but guess not. So I'm also taking, so on this charts, as I mentioned last week, I'm also taking candlestick pattern entries. Now it's hoping. All right, so today's market open, unfortunately ended up being a losing one. Let's see where this 945 candle will close, because if this 945 candle rejects against any bullish order block, then I'll take the 1:3 risk to reward. Entry. So I'll stick around till like 9:45-ish, and then we'll see how this candle that has stopped us out will close. If it closes with a rejection against a bullish order block, then I'll take the trade with a 1:3 risk to reward. Excuse me. If this 9:45 candle, right, this one that has ended up losing or hitting stop loss for this trade, if the lowest part of the wick is a bullish order block, so it's either of these bullish order blocks, then I'll take the trade for a 1:3 risk to reward. So this is the ones that we only get like 5 or so trades of this every month. So that's why I go for a higher risk to reward, because we rarely get them. So you see like how right now it's touched this 30-minute bullish order block. So the low of the candle, or the low of the wick, which is still the low of the candle currently, so long as it closes above any of this wicks, any of this order blocks. So we have a 30-minute, we have a 15-minute, we have a 30-minute and 15-minute. So long as it closes above that, I'll take a trade for 1:3 risk to reward with another account that I have. So not the same account that got stopped out, but another one. So this month so far we've had this month two back-to-back losses. So today was a loss for the market open. Yesterday was a loss. Monday we didn't have a live session. February we had a 3% gain for the month of February. And January we didn't have any live sessions. So we'll see how things go. So we have 2 more minutes. For me to take this trade, price has to close above this bullish order blocks. If it closes below them, I'm not going to take this trade. And we have 2 minutes for price to decide what it will do. So this is the rejection that I want to see there. And we have about a minute and a half to go. All right, 40 seconds. I don't want it to be too high. I don't want the wick to be too high because last time when that happened, price came for the retest and stopped us out and then went back in the expected direction. So I don't want the wick to be too high. Had a nice win on gold this morning. Let's see. So seven seconds. Okay, so it closed below, so no trade there. So it closed below. So I wanted it to close above the bullish order block, but it ended up closing below. So unfortunately, no trade there. Yeah, but that should be it for today's live session. There really isn't much else to look for. Yeah, so other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. All right, guys, peace.